detachable antenna ready to go whenever. Stay connected with your phone signal limit with the walkie-talkie rugged phone. This is a review of the new Armor 20WT, the new rugged smartphone from ULEFONE, which once again comes with tons of features and top of the line specs. So let's see. I'm a big fan of ULEFONE's rugged smartphones, and they continue to impress me with a range of affordable and high-quality accessories. Today I want to share my thoughts of the ULEFONE Armor 20WT and some of the additional equipment that you can purchase alongside it. First up, we have this Armor mount, which is a specialized holder designed to fit ULEFONE's Armor phone models. Next, we have the ULEFONE's protective case. This case is special designed for the Armor 20WT. So, the smartphone comes in the classic Armor series packaging, featuring the brand's signature yellow color and metallic accent that emphasize its ruggedness. Inside the box, you will find a cardboard envelope containing a range of accessories that are not commonly offered by other smartphone brands. So there we have a lot of paperwork, including this Armor 20WT user manual. Everything is written in great details and shown in color. And there is also the rest of the paperwork. There we also have a strap for easier carrying our phone, 2 spare small plugs to seal the hole on the phone in the place where the antenna is placed. And you can still find an additional screen protector, which is actually tempered glass. Even though ULEFONE has already installed a screen protector at the factory and it's already on the mobile phone out of the box. This is our phone, we will put it aside. What else we have here in the box? There are 2 screwdrivers provided by different reasons. The green screwdriver, you can use this open a black plate. After opening this stainless steel plate, will reveal the place where we have 2 SIM slots. One SD card slot enables a card up to 2 TB. After inserting the SIM cards and memory card, we will screw everything back nicely. The black screwdriver is used to unscrew the rubber plug that seals our phone and insert the antenna inside when they want to use the walkie-talkie function. Then we are not using it, it's necessary to put the plug back inside to the slot remains protected from the water or dust. Okay, let's see what else we have inside. So this is the antenna for the walkie-talkie function on the phone. There is also a red USB Type-C charging cable. And finally a 33-watt premium quality fast charger. So that will be contents of this package. Now it's time to switch to our smartphone. This phone Armor 20WT is built with a very premium quality materials. You can see the side rails of the frame, it's built with the aluminum. They have also used a very good quality polycarbonate to manufacture the body of this phone. In hand, this is really feels so very compact. Doesn't have the type of weight because it has managed to do a very good weight distribution through the phone, so there isn't part of the phone that is more heavier than other, and I can tell you that this sits really well in the hand. Here on this part of the rear panel, you can see it clearly shows some features of the phone such as NFC, waterproof, dustproof, and this one says very good shock absorption. So in short, this is a practically indestructible smartphone made for professionals. Above it is a stainless steel backplate with the ULEFONE logo, under which there are slots for 2 SIM cards and a micro memory card. Above we find only one but valuable Samsung 50 megapixel main camera next to which is a LED flash. On the side it is a metal side rails, we find a nicely perforated metal power off and on button. Under it there is a fingerprint reader. On the opposite side we find the volume up and down button, and below it is a customizing key button which you can launch any application or function of the phone that you choose with the light press. With a slightly longer press, the PTT function will be activated. On the back we have a USB Type-C port protected by a rubber cover. On the upper side, under this round cap, we find the entrance for antenna. On the front, we have two super power stereo speakers with a maximum volume of 100 decibels, which puts out loud sound when playing games or speaking over the PTT. Under the top speaker in the frame, there is also front-facing 60 megapixel Sony's excellent selfie camera with a face unlock function. There in the frame we also find the LED notification light and the proximity sensor. What we really like here is a compact screen with no punch or water drop notch, just a good old classic screen. It is a 5.65 inches FHD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2100 and a 60 pixel resolution with a 424 ppi, which is splendid colors and a clarity that won't disappointing you. There is of course Corning Gorilla Glass protection and a fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating on the screen. In the trend of the large screens, this is truly just the right screen size for one-handed use, texting, watching videos or browsing. Many of you will be pleasant with this size. Now let's go back to our Samsung's 50 megapixel ultra high resolution camera. In terms of video recording, the Armor 20WT is capable of capturing videos in 2K resolution with the additional support for 1080, 720 and 480 pixel recording and a 30 fps frame rate. Photos are taken in a maximum resolution on 6096 by 8128 pixels. So to get a feel for the camera performance, check out our sample photos and videos taken using the Armor 20WT. After this set of videos and photos, let's start talking about performances. It runs on the excellent MediaTek Helio G99 processor with 6nm advanced product process, and for the memory setup, the Armor 20WT comes with the unprecedented 12GB base RAM. This one is the largest amount of RAM on the rugged phone, and it gets better because using the extended RAM feature of 8GB, it can be reached up to 20GB of total RAM memory. For storage, the phone comes with a capacity of 256GB of fast UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to huge 2TB of extra storage space. This phone offers exceptional performance and is focused on multi-day use with its range of specifications and features that are unmatched by other devices. The user experience is truly remarkable. For passionate gamers, this phone is a dream come true. It handles the most demanding games available on the Google Play Store, delivering top-notch performance at the highest settings. In addition, the phone's huge 10,850 mAh battery ensures hours of uninterrupted gaming. So if you are a gamer who enjoys playing the latest titles, this phone is definitely worth considering, especially if you like multi-hour gaming. That much power is capable of delivering 600 hours of standby time, up to 45 hours of phone calls, and up to 14 hours of video viewing. This would mean that this phone can withstand up to 3 days of active use, for moderate users even more, and all this is covered by a 33-watt fast charging. There is also an OTG function for reversible charging of the other devices. The Armor 20WT is powered by the newest version of the pure Android 12 system and includes all Google apps. Furthermore, the device supports NFC and it's compatible with Google Pay. The phone has IP68, IP69K rating, which means it can survive being submerged in the water in depth of 1.5 meters for 30 minutes and resist to dust and water in Greece. It also passes the military standard MIL-STD 810H, which tests the device durability in all possible extreme environments. Let's now take a look at one of the most exciting features of this phone, the walkie-talkie function. There are two ways to activate it, either through the app or by long pressing the custom push-to-talk button on the left side. However, before using it, we need to install the antenna that comes with the phone. Once the antenna is installed, we can change the channel and frequency on the radio. There are various channels and regions to choose from, and you can modify the region through the settings menu. The range of the walkie-talkie depends on the environment. At the sea you can get between 7 and 10 kilometers, in office building it's about 40 floors, in urban areas between 3 and 5 kilometers, and when you drive about 3 kilometers distance. As this is the hardware digital mobile radio DMR, there are some significant advantages over software intercoms. For example, the network doesn't rely on Wi-Fi or mobile connections, and there is a zero latency compared to the software intercoms, where you depend on the internet connection. The battery life is also a big plus, and with this monster battery you can get a much longer usage time. We also have better security and cleaner call quality overall, making it more reliable communication device than the walkie-talkie that rely on the software and other DMR devices. With this rugged smartphone, you have both a digital radio and a mobile device in one, making an excellent communication tool for workers in areas such as housing and logistics, building constructions, emergency rescue, law enforcement, and many more. But don't worry, how to use this walkie-talkie function is explained in detail in these instructions printed in color, which comes in the package with the mobile phone. As I mentioned earlier in this video, to provide even better protection for your phone, ULEFONE offers the original multifunctional protective case, which is only compatible with our Armor 20WT. This protective case features anti-shock absorbent TPU corners and a sturdy plastic body, offering additional protection against drops, scratches, and shocks. The precise cutouts allow easy access to all buttons, ports, and the camera, while perfectly matching to our Armor 20WT. The case includes a 180 degrees rotatable back clip, providing a comfortable viewing angle and can be clipped into the belt for portability. Alternatively, you can attach a security carabiner for easy access of the various applications. This multifunctional case is sold separately from the mobile phone, and I highly recommend it for those of you who work or demanding terrains, environments to keep your smartphone protected for as long as possible. What else we got is this special ULEFONE Armor mount multi-use phone holder. With it you can easily mount your mobile phone on the windshield, dashboard or on other smooth flat surface. The telescopic arm in the holder can be tilted from the 22 to 170 degrees with a larger knob and has extend from 14 to 20 centimeters with a smaller knob. There are also 360-degree rotating head, and the adjustment possibilities are just unlimited. So let's repeat once again what is the highlights of the Armor 20WT. One of the standout features of this phone is its walkie-talkie capability, which allows it to real-time communication using a PTT one-key function between multiple parties simultaneously. It is a perfect blend for a traditional walkie-talkie and a rugged phone, and supports both DMR digital mode and traditional analog mode. This means that purchasing this rugged phone you gives a both phone and a walkie-talkie, making it great value for your money. Additionally, this device features dual front-facing speakers with 100 decibels high power, which provide loud sound output for listening to music, gaming or PTT communication without being obstructed by your hands. Another notable feature of this detachable antenna, making it convenient to carry in your pocket. This device is powered by an impressive MediaTek Helio G99 processor with up to 20 GB of RAM and massive 10,850 mAh battery that lasts for days. With 33 watts fast charging, it also comes equipped with a pure Android 12 OS supporting 4G, LTE, NFC, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2 and much more. And all this packed in a relatively compact design. A phone that you can use with one hand. So what's more you can ask, you have everything you need in this phone. The official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them. Hurry up and get your new ULEFONE Armor 20WT today, because now is the chance. That will be all for today, see you soon with some new video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.